You want to learn English faster but confused between ChatGPT and Gemini. So don't waste your time, and in the next few minutes I will tell you which AI is better for learning English faster and what makes them difference, and which one you should use according to your goal. And trust me, by the end of this video you will know exactly which AI tools can become your English partner. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you one thing. Both ChatGPT and Gemini are amazing AI tool. Both can help you improve your English, and so this is not about which AI is good or bad. The real question is which one is better for you. Let's find out. Let's start with ChatGPT. If you are beginner, ChatGPT can make learning English simple and comfortable. You can ask any questions without feeling shy, and you can make mistakes, and you can say please correct my English, and ChatGPT will correct your grammar, explain your mistakes and in simple English, and teach you new vocabularies and help you build confidence. So if you can ask also difficult words in easy English. You can practice daily conversation and interviews and storytelling, pronunciation tips and speaking challenges, or even role plays real life situations. So it feels like talking to a partner and who is always too ready to help. So if you practice every day, even for just 10 or 15 minutes, you will slowly become more confident. Now let's talk about Gemini. Gemini is also very powerful AI, and if your goal is speaking practice, and Gemini may be a great choice for you. Many learners feel that Gemini's voice is a little slower, and so beginners may find it easier to understand it. And another good thing is that you can choose different voice according to your preference. So imagine this, a few years ago you needed a teacher or a speaking partner to practice your English. But now things have changed, and you don't have to pay for anyone, and you can simply open Gemini and start talking, and you can make mistake, and you can ask questions, and you can do practice anytime and anywhere, and your AI become English speaking partner. Now what about ChatGPT voice? uh, ChatGPT also has a on voice. You can do natural conversation, and some learners feel that ChatGPT speak little faster than Gemini. And at first, it may seems difficult, but as you keep practicing, and your listening skills will improve too. And both AI tools can help you speaking English, and only difference that many feels Gemini is easier to follow because of its slower voice. So which one should you choose? If your main goal is voice practice, so prefer you should try Gemini. And if your goal is grammar corrections, vocabularies, and writing, and natural conversation, and detailed explanation, so ChatGPT can be a great choice. But here is my favorite idea. Why choose only one? You can use both. And for example, you could practice speaking with Gemini, and then you could copy your conversation into ChatGPT and ask, "Can you correct my grammar and make my English sound more natural and perfect?" So this way you get the best of both worlds. And many people spend hours for searching the perfect apps, but they forget the most important things, practice. No AI can make you fluent in if you never speak English. But if you practice every single day, even for just 10 minutes, your English will improve. You will learn new words and you will make fewer mistakes and you will become more confident. So remember this, the best AI is not the most popular one. The best AI is the one you use consistently. So start today, practice every day, and speak without fear. And one day you will surprise yourself by speaking English confidently. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So keep watching. And if you have any topic, any questions, or suggestions for my next video, please let me in the comments. And I read every comments, and we will meet in the next video. So keep watching, keep practicing, keep doing. Bye bye.